Okay, so I just came across this system called yams, and it's blowing my mind. It's all about persistent memory for LLMs.
Wait, persistent memory? So it's like giving AIs a memory bank they can actually refer back to.
Exactly. It's like if you programmed an AI to remember conversations in context, so it doesn't start from scratch every time.
That's wild. How does it really maintain that memory? Is it just storing everything in a database or something?
Right. It uses something called content address storage. Basically, every piece of data has a unique identifier, like a fingerprint.
Oh wow, so data integrity is guaranteed. That could really minimize issues with lost information.
Absolutely. It also features deduplication, which means it doesn't store redundant copies. Super efficient.
Wow, that must save a ton of space. But how does it even perform deduplication?
Well, it uses something called Raben fingerprinting. At a high level, it looks for repeating patterns in the data to avoid duplication.
Hold on, this is getting deep. So it's basically trying to figure out what's unique versus what's redundant.
Exactly. And think about how much storage that could save. Imagine if your smartphone worked like that.
That makes so much sense. And I guess that allows faster indexing too, right?
Spot on. The system also has full-text indexing, so finding information becomes a breeze.
How does it handle search queries, though? Is it just keyword-based?
Not just that, it uses semantic search with vector embeddings, which means it understands context, not just keywords.
Whoa, so it can infer meaning? That's way cooler than regular search.
Totally. It's like having a conversation where the AI picks up on your intent rather than only responding to exact phrases.
Does that mean the AI gets smarter over time? Like, can it adapt to user preferences?
Yes, the more you interact, the more it learns and customizes responses. It's like having a personal assistant.
This is fascinating. But what about durability? What happens if the system crashes?
Great question. It uses write-ahead logging for durability, which safeguards data against crashes.
That's actually reassuring. So all the effort to store unique memory wouldn't just disappear.
Exactly. But here's the kicker. How fast can it operate under load?
If I'm guessing, it sounds like it's optimized for high performance.
You bet. It's capable of achieving 100 megabytes per second throughput. That's pretty impressive for a system like this.
This makes you think about the future of AI, right? Imagine if every model had this kind of memory.
Right? It could revolutionize how we interact with machines. It changes the whole learning dynamic.
Just picturing AI learning from every conversation it's had. That's kind of a game changer.
And it's not just about conversation. It could apply to everything from coding to research.
Oh, definitely. It makes me wonder how it could enhance knowledge bases or documentation management.
Exactly. Imagine having a rich, searchable repository of everything you've discussed or learned.
That's fascinating. But I wonder about the implications of having such powerful context awareness.
Yeah, the ethical considerations are massive. We'd have to be careful about data privacy.
For sure. But if done right, it could lead to smarter interactions across all tech fields.
Right. It's a balance of innovation and responsibility. This conversation just opened up a whole new perspective.
Big time. So what's the takeaway here? That memory isn't just for storage, but for learning.
Exactly. Memory like yams turns data into informed interactions. It's all about making AI more human.
So the next step could be figuring out how we can leverage systems like this more creatively.
Absolutely. It just goes to show how exciting the future of AI really is.
And who knows, maybe in a few years, we'll be having super personalized AI conversations.
I can't wait. But the real question is, what will we ask them?
Maybe we'll finally learn their secrets, or just get better advice than from humans.
Haha, right? The possibilities are endless. I'm really excited to see where this goes.